I'll come there.
आप एक जन इधर आ जाइए.
Okay, I'll come. Yeah. Yes. The jester prevails.
And we'll start speaking first, or do the pictures later. Or these pictures.
Will the real Slim Shady please stand up?
We'll start with the press Bipasha, could you tell us a little about the ad that you are shooting currently for Springfield?
Well, the fact that me and Karan are endorsing this cute household brand, it's also a very luxurious brand because it is not just providing comfort, the kind of mattresses that they make, it also talks about luxury. So they have decided to have us as a couple to endorse the product, and we've shot the cute fun ad. Karan will tell you about it.
Yeah, it's basically, it says that you need 6 hours of really good sleep, and if you don't get that, then 40% of your brain functions get reduced, which nobody really wants. So we didn't show the 40% reduction in the brain activity in the ad, but we're just showing how good sleep on this mattress helps you remain, active and fit.
You're a power couple today and you hardly get time to rest. So endorsing a bed, how does it feel? You feel more people will be really wanting to take little time from their life and take a little rest after you guys talk about it?
Yeah, we actually took a little longer shooting the ad because, like you said, we don't get to rest. So when they told us to lie down for the shot, we actually slept. So
yeah, we were actually catching a snooze and enjoying the moments when we were asked to sleep.
Yeah, the director thought we were method, but no, not really.
We were just resting.
Karan, Nitin, could you tell us a little about the ad and why you decided to choose Bipasha?
See, being it's a very young brand and we have a very dashing couple with us, so we took them as a brand ambassador to promote the brand. And the products which we make is definitely for people who are looking for a good lifestyle and looking for a very good sleep to get their lifestyle very active and fresh and fit always, as they both are. Thank you.
And complete brain activity.
Yeah.
Malhotra ji, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि how do you feel about getting them as the brand and what are your thoughts?
Yeah, as we said, SpringFit is a young brand, and within a short span of time, we have entered all over India. So we thought to get the more mileage, we engaged the young couple here for the young brand, and we hope now we'll get the good mileage there.
Thank you.
This brand is actually called the Autograph Collection. Why do you feel it's called
We are introducing a collection especially for Karan and Bipasha's, and that's a special range dedicated to them. Yeah.
And you're also there in all 5-star hotels. So
Yes.
tell us about that.
See, SpringFit is one of the biggest suppliers or one of the biggest bedding partners to the 5-star hotels. You name any big chains, in India, whichever international or Indian chains, we are there available with almost every hotel in the country. And yeah, we cover almost 70% of the market for the hospitality business.
So when you're getting good sleep at hotels that you stay in, it's because of them.
Then we have to thank SpringFit.
Yeah.
Both of you, could you tell us something, anything else you'd like to add, sir?
I think you all should go and get some good sleep on SpringFit.
Yeah, definitely.
And I would also like to add, we should actually go and spend or invest on mattresses and on the sleep. We should get the importance of sleep in our life, which is really needed,
But it's
which is really missing in
Yes,
Indian,
absolutely. I think
Indian culture.
when we talk about health and fitness, rest is a very critical and important part that we kind of skip.
Yeah.
You need to actually rest, have complete physical and mental rest. For that, you need actually, things like this for posture, for comfort, for relaxation. You need a good mattress. So it's if you really look into the necessity why we should all sleep on a good mattress, it's actually very, very important. It'll just increase our efficiency.
Recharge that our body gets actually.
Yeah.
So,
No questions.
Anybody
We'll just take
else?
pictures.
See, SpringFit is having full range of mattresses, and it's protects your spine. If you sleep on the mattress for 6 hours, your spine will be straight as the natural ass shape, and you get the more comfortable,
See how
and you're fit for the tomorrow
Straight I
morning.
am today, see? Because of
Yeah.
yesterday. I'm feeling
Yeah.
like I'm straighter than normal.
Yeah, straight.
Even though I didn't sleep 6 hours a night.
Yeah.
Okay, Bipasha, I want to know what is the secret behind the great sleep. You guys start. So we just want to know आपके नजरिए से great sleep क्या हो सकता है? एक अच्छा sleep.
The first step to achieving great sleep is working very hard. So when you work really hard through the day, then this automatically your sleep in the night becomes better. And make sure for what we follow is not to try and watch a lot of things before going to bed. Not have
Kind of plays on your mind otherwise, whatever you see.
yeah, listen to some calming music or read something that is just kind of lets
Relaxing,
you
yeah.
float. Yeah.
Gives you good thoughts.
Don't eat too heavy in the night. Acidity, lots of stuff happens.
We all are missing you बहुत फिर से एक big screen में हम आपको देखना चाहते हैं.
जरूर देखेंगे.
Can be extra.
Please wish very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Any other question?
Means at least shooting करना तो soon होगा.
Being Filmstars, you guys are very busy, obviously, so you probably don't get that sleep. So how do you balance it out, work and resting? How difficult is it to?
I actually make sure that I get 6 hours of sleep, no matter what, because it's. I don't believe in 8 hours of sleep anyway. I never have. Sometimes it goes up 12 hours when it's a holiday, but 6 hours is something that I make sure that I get. I sleep about around 11:30. I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. So see that's
Karan is a very early riser. His thing is he has to like
Yeah.
do his yoga, do his sketching, do his riyaz, and then he wakes me up.
yeah.
I also wake up early, but not so early.
And how much role does a mattress play in a good
Like we just discussed it through and through, it's the posture, it's the relaxation, it's everything. It's like you will never get good sleep on a bad mattress. You're going to like have pains and aches. You'll toss and turn. If the mattress is not good, it's not supporting your body right, you're never going to get good sleep.
It has to be perfect, not too soft, not too hard. It needs to. You need to understand what your body needs, and not everyone needs the same thing, obviously, always. But you have to understand that about yourself.
Just to add on, as in why we took 6 hours of sleep, as he mentioned, like now the 8 hours thing is a thing of past. We really do not have 8 hours to sleep in our busy lifestyle. So that is the main aim. Like people like them who are really busy, who want to be active in their lifestyle. So we make a campaign saying 6 hours of sleep. So that is one of the reasons to have one of the busiest people to be a part of our campaign.
My question is to Vikas Rao. You are most famous icon. Many people are inspired to you. Even in 2010, you have come with Love Yourself, Believe
Yes.
in Fitness, again in 2011, and again in the last was in 2014. So we actually waiting for you to come with new concept, recipe, and also many recently Shilpa Shetty launched a website. So if you get an opportunity, would you like to do that?
Well, see, opportunities are all in our hand. It's just that how much time I can give personally. Last year has been very busy for me. Getting married is not easy. And then, settling down as a husband, wife, it's not really like just, it doesn't just happen. So it's, and also we traveled quite a bit.
Yeah.
So now definitely want to do a lot more in the field of health and fitness, not just routines. I want to definitely, come out in the lifestyle space and talk about holistic, ways of looking after yourself and health as a whole, not just fitness routines. So yes, and Shilpa is a dear friend, and I'm really, really happy with all the things that she's doing. जी नहीं, उस टूर में करण नहीं होंगे, मैं बहुत मिस करूँगी. अभी तो एकदम आदत हो चुकी है, सारा टाइम हम लोग साथ ही रहते हैं. So I'm going to miss him quite a bit.
I'll miss you too. And it's a very hectic tour. I would not
Yeah,
never want to go.
it's actually too hectic. जी अभी तक साथ में तो हम लोगों ने रिहर्सल्स की नहीं है, पर अभी सब अपना अपना सीख रहे हैं.
One last question, please.
Done.
bye.
Can you only stand into one picture? Can I
Yes.
check the media and then come?
Stand on that from the bed.
here.
Oh.
Stand on the
Spring fit, spring.
jumping. Yeah, it is only when
Ji.
if I ask you, you will later.
Yeah, I mean spring fit. I'm the spring and you're the fit.
आपके लेफ्ट में देखिए, आपके लेफ्ट में. Thank you.
पीछे से जाओ, पीछे.
अरे बात ना यहाँ पे एक्सक्यूज मी मैम दोनों प्लीज 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 वेट सर यहाँ पे करण यहाँ पे
मैं लटक रही हूँ पीछे.
Pasha. Thank you.
अरे